How to unmute group notifications on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to unmute group notifications on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here just select any group you want like this one, and then click on group profile and scroll down. Here you will find this one, mute notifications. Just click on it, and as you see, group notifications have been unmuted, and that's it. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.